Hi everyone and welcome back to Speak English Basics.
Today we have a delicious topic for you, how to describe food in English.
Describing food is an essential skill, especially when you're traveling, dining out, or sharing recipes. In this lesson, we'll teach you key vocabulary, phrases, and tips to talk about food in detail.
So whether you're a foodie or just getting started with English, this lesson will help you a lot. Let's begin.
Let's start with some basic food vocabulary. Fruits ***, apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, etc. Vegetables ***, carrots, broccoli, potatoes, spinach, etc. Proteins ***, chicken, beef, fish, eggs, tofu, etc. Grains ***, rice, pasta, bread, oats, etc. Dairy ***, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, etc. Snacks ***, chips, cookies, crackers, nuts, etc.
Example, I had a healthy breakfast with eggs, toast, and an orange.
Now, let's learn some adjectives to describe the taste, texture, and appearance of food. Taste. Sweet ***, chocolate, candies, fruits. Example, this cake is very sweet. Sour ***, lemon, yogurt, tamarind. Example, the lemonade is a bit too sour for me, ***. Salty ***, chips, pretzels, salted nuts. Example, these fries are perfectly salty. Spicy ***, curry, chili peppers, hot sauce. Example, Indian food is often spicy ***. Bitter ***, coffee, dark chocolate, kale. Example, I prefer my coffee without sugar because I like the bitter taste ***. Texture. Crunchy ***, chips, crackers, fresh vegetables. Example, this salad is so crunchy ***. Creamy ***, ice cream, mashed potatoes, yogurt. Example, the soup is rich and creamy ***. Chewy ***, bagels, steak, gummy candies. Example, these candies are chewy and fun to eat ***. Soft ***, bread, cakes, tofu. Example, the bread is soft and fresh ***. Crispy ***, fried chicken, bacon, potato chips. Example, the bacon is crispy and delicious ***. Appearance. Colorful ***, salads, fruit bowls, desserts. Example, the fruit salad looks so colorful and fresh ***. Golden ***, fried food, baked goods. Example, the pie has a golden crust ***. Appetizing ***, food that looks delicious. Example, the meal smells appetizing ***.
Describing food with these adjectives will make your conversations more interesting and detailed.
To describe food better, it's helpful to know how it's cooked. Here are some common cooking methods. Boiled ***, cooked in water, like pasta or eggs. Example, I had a boiled egg for breakfast ***. Fried ***, cooked in oil, like fries or fried chicken. Example, fried food is crispy but not always healthy ***. Grilled ***, cooked over a flame or heat, like barbecue or grilled vegetables. Example, I love grilled fish with lemon ***. Baked ***, cooked in an oven, like bread or cakes. Example, the cookies were freshly baked ***. Steamed ***, cooked with steam, like dumplings or vegetables. Example, steamed vegetables are very healthy ***.
Learning these words will help you explain how a dish is prepared.
Flavors are a big part of food. Let's discuss how to describe them. Flavor combinations. Savory ***, a rich, salty flavor. Example, the soup was savory and comforting ***. Umami ***, a deep, meaty flavor often found in mushrooms, soy sauce, or cheese. Example, the sauce had a wonderful umami flavor ***. Balanced ***, when all the flavors work well together. Example, this dish has a perfect balance of sweet and spicy ***.
Example, the pasta had a creamy, savory sauce with hints of garlic.
When discussing food, you might talk about specific meals. Meal vocabulary. Breakfast asterisk asterisk the first meal of the day. Example, I had cereal and milk for breakfast asterisk. Lunch asterisk asterisk the midday meal. Example, for lunch, I ate a sandwich and a salad asterisk. Dinner asterisk asterisk the evening meal. Example, we had pizza for dinner asterisk. Snacks asterisk asterisk light food between meals. Example, I love having fruit as a snack asterisk.
You can also describe meals by their size or type, like light breakfast or big dinner.
When you're at a restaurant or a cafe, it's important to know how to order food. Phrases for ordering. I'd like a... Example, I'd like a coffee and a croissant, please. Can I have... Example, can I have the grilled chicken, please? What do you recommend? Example, what do you recommend for dessert?
Practice these phrases to feel more confident when dining out.
Let's learn how to share your likes and dislikes about food. Phrases for likes. I love. Example, I love Italian food. I enjoy. Example, I enjoy spicy dishes. My favorite food is... Example, my favorite food is sushi. Phrases for dislikes. I don't like. Example, I don't like bitter foods. I'm not a fan of. Example, I'm not a fan of spicy food. I prefer. Example, I prefer sweet snacks over salty ones.
Example, asterisk I love chocolate but I'm not a fan of dark chocolate because it's too bitter.
Now, let's practice describing food in conversations. Talking about a dish.
What did you think of the pasta?
It was delicious. The sauce was creamy and the mushrooms added a nice umami flavor asterisk. Talking about a restaurant. How was the restaurant?
Was great. The grilled chicken was perfectly seasoned, and the dessert was amazing.
When describing food, remember to use specific adjectives, talk about how it's cooked, and share your personal opinions.
Practice with friends or by writing about your favorite meals. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!